We've just undergone a most radical change programme that has involved us in downsizing the civil service by nearly 20% over 2 years, by reducing the number of departments from 12 to 9, putting 30 of our most heavily transacted services online, and developing an outcomes-focused programme for government.
We're trying to advance a reform agenda, and we have to make sure that that agenda for change is appropriately informed by its impact on the ground.
A number of things came together to make the GOAL programme happen. The public service reform agenda was already up and running in both jurisdictions in 2015, and government departments requested assistance from Atlantic Philanthropies. CES was approached to co-design the GOAL programme with government departments and then to deliver it. Short term, we hope to bring change to new ways of working to public services, better use of evidence, more collaboration between public servants and civil servants, better implementation of policy, and also stronger leadership for these new ways of working. In Northern Ireland, the Department of Education are leading on the children's strategy, and part of the work we've been doing is helping them collect the international evidence of how other jurisdictions and countries have gone about this. In the Department of Children, we are consulting with the youth sector to support the development of a new national youth services programme. With the Department of Education, we're helping them make better use of data, because data is essential to good decision making.
We're working very closely with the Centre for Effective Services on 2 projects. One of them is about data mapping, and the other one is about improving ways for different areas within the department to work together.
We've been working closely with the Centre for Effective Services on 3 strategic projects. Firstly, the development of a children and young people strategy. Secondly, how we might improve the sustainability of our innovation lab. And thirdly, we've had a very strong focus on developing our senior leadership skills.
We've known for decades the system is particularly poor at addressing issues which don't fall neatly into the remit of one department, such as youth mental health. We're running what we call the Pathfinder project, which is a project which is examining strategies to improve mental health and well-being among young people.
We're in the second full year of a 3 to 5 year programme. We have the active commitment and engagement of 7 government departments, north and south, 9 exemplar projects which have been selected, and they're all designed, co-designed and up and running. The departments have also committed to sharing the learning from those individual programmes with other departments in the GOAL programme, but then more widely across the civil service.
Well, we've had 2 modules of the programme so far, and the feedback from those involved has been incredibly positive.
I've been fortunate to be able to see the project from 2 angles. First of all, as one of those responsible for commissioning it, and also as a participant. I'm gaining the skills and building relationships with my peers that will help me be a more effective leader in the future.
Both projects have the potential to change how we work, to ensure that we provide better services, and that the reforms that we have, they are more effective and that they can be measured better so that we can understand them.
The GOAL programme has also allowed us to document our experience, to record the way in which we worked, and it has helped us to develop a group of people who can now assist others who are developing projects of a similar nature.
Each of the programmes was designed with sustainability in mind, so each will continue after the programme has finished. One of the big challenges for each of the projects is to really anchor it in the daily work and business of the departments and the agencies so that it can continue.
What we have with the Centre for Effective Services is an organisation that has an experience of working on change processes across a number of jurisdictions. The big value added that they can give to us is a supportive external challenge.
I think there are 2 levels in which it will make a difference. First of all, it's challenging us to be much more aware of the impact of our behaviours on how we lead and get the best out of our own staff. Secondly, it is pushing us much more towards working more meaningfully in partnership with other people, particularly those who benefit from or use our public services.
We learned a lot from the process about how people can work together collaboratively with a single focus on an issue which is important to all of us. We believe that once the recommendations in the Pathfinder project are implemented, we'll be able to make a considerable impact on the lives of young people.
I believe it will help us deliver the programme for government more effectively and efficiently than we would otherwise have done. This programme for government sets out a vision for Northern Ireland society in the future and how we can improve people's lives. Better quality leadership will help us to achieve that goal.